Hello, everyone. My name is Robbie Tawil. I am a computer scientist, a passionate explorer at the intersection of artificial intelligence and healthcare, where the magic of innovation meets the heart of compassion. My journey began with a curious mind and enthusiasm to improve the world of digital pathology. Through my work, I hope we can improve early detection of cancer using AI to save lives. Okay, let's get to it.
In this presentation, we will discuss how the comparative analysis study of histopathologic image classification system using vision transformers and convolutional networks came together. The presentation is essentially made up of 6 parts. The goal is to explain why we picked the study, what is the problem that needs solved here, and which tools were put together to achieve these goals. We start with a brief introduction about what lung cancer is, its statistics, and the survival rate. We present the problem that we are facing with diagnosing cancer. Next, we dive into how diagnosis is evolving and the possible role of AI in making advancements in the field of pathology. We clearly identify the objectives of this research, then we analyze the results, and finally we draw conclusions. In this brief introduction, we will discuss what is lung cancer, what makes it the most important cancer to discuss today, the statistics, and what is the cure success rate today. Lung cancer affects 2.2 million people worldwide every year. It is the second most common cancer worldwide, making it an urgent call to action. The number is so staggering. It's like one disease affecting an entire small country. So in the US, approximately 70% of lung cancer diagnoses occur in individuals aged 65 or older, making age a significant risk factor. Smoking is the primary risk factor for lung cancer, accounting for about 85% of the cases, with non smokers also affected by secondhand smoke exposure, sometimes radon gas, and other times it's just genetic factors. Despite its high mortality rate, lung cancer research is underfunded compared to other cancers, stressing the need for an increased investment in the research. Targeted therapies and immunotherapies have shown effectiveness in treating advanced lung cancer by focusing on specific genetic mutations or boosting the immune system's ability to fight cancer cells. A multidisciplinary approach combining surgery, radiation therapy, chemotherapy, and personalized medicine offers the best chance for curing lung cancer, particularly when detected early. So, what is the problem here? The problem that we're trying to fix will be discussed in the next section. So, the healthcare world has shown a good success rate in treating specifically early stage cancers. When you detect cancer early, you're able, through screening, significantly increase the chance of somebody affected by lung cancer because at this stage it is treatable than any other stage. Screening in high risk populations, such as to long term smokers, has been proven to reduce lung cancer mortality. A study in 2002 to 2007 with 50,000 participants showed that low dose CT scans had a 20% decreased risk of dying from lung cancer. So, regular lung cancer screening can also help identify other respiratory diseases at an early stage, facilitating timely treatment and improving overall health outcomes. Misdiagnosis of lung cancer can occur due to its symptoms often resembling those of less severe respiratory diseases, leading to delayed or incorrect treatment. Over reliance on chest x rays for diagnosis can contribute to misdiagnosis, as early stage lung cancers may not be visible, underscoring the need for comprehensive diagnostic tools like CT scans, which are costly and might not always be available. Next, in this section, we will discuss the evolution of diagnosis using modern technology. We're all familiar with the microscope, we know how it works, we know x rays, and we are familiar with CT scans. These tools work and they've been beneficial. So, what I'm doing here is not talk these tools down, but instead, we want to show you how AI can improve the speed, accuracy of diagnosis while reducing cost. Between machine learning and deep learning, the entire diagnosis workflow can be streamlined and automated, relieving the doctors from repetitive tasks. So our first AI tool we're going to discuss here is CNNs, convolutional neural networks. CNNs act like the brain's visual cortex, learning to recognize patterns and features in images with remarkable accuracy. By sifting through thousands of medical images, CNNs can spot early signs of cancer, invisible to the human eye, revolutionizing early detection. CNNs tailor cancer treatment by precisely identifying tumor types and growth patterns, guiding doctors towards the most effective therapies. Every few years, we discover something new in computer science, and it makes you rethink everything you already learned. Today, the invention that is rocking everyone's world is a type of neural network called transformers. Transformers can write poems, they can write computer code, and even generate images. A few famous applications out there today that use transformers are ChatGPT, BERT, DALL-E, and Grok. Transformers use positional encoding and attention, and they also use something called self-attention. This makes them successful when trained on large amounts of data and in retrospect handle large data better. In our specific study here, we use a type of transformers, which is called vision transformers. Next, we will discuss how I did my research, the objectives, and the tools I used to achieve it. So first, of course, we had to identify the problem I want to solve. Following that, we had to research literature to learn more about the subject. Based on the literature research, we selected the models that I saw fit best. Next, we had to prepare a data set to feed it to the code so we can train it. So we used publicly available data set from Kaggle. The lengthiest phase was writing the code and training the model. Because training requires large computational power, so we had to repeat several times. After completing the work, we analyzed the results and wrote the paper about the findings. Finally, today, we are presenting to you these findings. So our research objective is very simple. We are trying to show the efficacy of both CNNs and vision transformers and possibly show which one performs better in analyzing histopathological imagery. So our research tools. Basically, we use Python to write the code. I use Google Colab to train the code. Google Colab is a cloud-based Jupyter notebook that offers GPU resources. I used GitHub so I can do version control. And I used a few open resource platforms for machine learning. One of them is TensorFlow, Keras, and OpenCV, Pandas, and for vision transformers, I used ViT Keras. So next, I chose 3 types of CNNs and 2 vision transformers. MobileNet V3, VGG16, ResNet 50, Vision Transformer B16, and Vision Transformer B32. So each one is specifically ideal for specific applications, basically. So MobileNet 3 is designed for mobile devices. It excels in speed and efficiency, making it ideal for real-time histopathological analysis. VGG16 is very simple to use and offers robust feature extraction capabilities. ResNet 50 solves deep network training challenges, providing precise diagnostics even with very deep architecture. For the vision transformers, the ViT B16 is a novel approach that treats image analysis as a sequence problem, allowing for detailed examination of histopathologic images with high resolution. Transformer B32 is similar to B16 but with larger patches. It's able to capture broader context within histopathologic images suitable for a comprehensive tissue analysis. Next, we will discuss results evaluators. We used accuracy, F1 score, sensitivity, and precision. The accuracy measures how often your model hits the bullseye correctly, identifying both the hits and misses. The F1 score uses the harmony between precision and recall, perfectly balancing the model's accuracy and thoroughness. Recall, which is sensitivity, like a safety net, it captures how well the model catches all true cases without letting any slip throughs. Precision ensures that when the model claims a hit, it's spot on, minimizing false alarms. CNNs versus ViTs. In the next few slides, we will discuss how the results of the experiment came through. So MobileNet V3 had high performance and efficiency and ImageNet weights, demonstrating effective transfer learning for three-class classification. It exhibited strong generalization with overall accuracy of 0.99, excelling in precision, recall, and F1 scores across all classes. It also had outstanding classification accuracy. We had 0.98 accuracy in testing, indicating that the model has high reliability and minimal misclassification. VGG16 also had effective transfer learning. It came with a high generalization of 98%. It was effective in preventing overfitting. It had rapid and robust training process. It always maintained about a score near perfect, 95% overall total accuracy. And it also had high classification accuracy. It maintained about 95% accuracy in testing. Next, the ResNet 50. The ResNet 50 had locked parameters, focused on utilizing pre-learned features. So it also had steady and promising accuracy trends. It highlighted excellent generalization capabilities, and it was consistent high performance on unseen data. It had 97% in training and 96% in testing. Vision Transformer B16 was able to process images in sequences of 2D patches for in-depth analysis. It achieved 99% training accuracy for significant processing power and also had robust model generalization. It demonstrated excellent generalization with 95% accuracy on test data, balancing precision and recall across all classes effectively. Vision Transformer B32, it achieved a 98.96% training accuracy and a validation accuracy of 94.31%. The high accuracy and generalization shows that with overall tests, the accuracy came through at 94%, showcasing effective generalization. So next we will do a little model comparison analysis. So looking at the results, we are immediately drawn by the fact that MobileNet V3 is the leader. High precision, high recall, and high F1 scores at 0.98. MobileNet V3 outperforms the others in accuracy. Of course, fairly speaking, we can say we have consistent high performance. All models show strong precision and recall, scoring 0.94 or above, indicating reliable diagnostic capabilities. Our favorite is the F1 score because it reflects balance. The F1 score closely matched precision and recall across all models, showing a balanced trade-off between the two measures. What's the conclusion here? Our conclusion is the efficiency champion is MobileNet V3. It boasted a high validation accuracy and minimal loss. It's ideal for real-time and low resource scenarios. The detailed detective was VGG16. It captured fine details with a slightly higher complexity. It's beneficial for intricate medical image analysis. Our deep diver is ResNet 50. It excelled in deep feature extraction despite higher validation loss. It's suitable for complex imaging tasks. The final thing is the innovative approach is for vision transformer models. They excelled in deep feature extraction despite higher validation loss. They're suitable for complex imaging tasks. Each model presented us with a different strength, highlighting the importance of application environment and application size. There's always hope. United by hope and driven by innovation, we stand on the brink of breakthroughs that promise a future where cancer meets its match. Each advancement, from early detection to targeted therapies, is a testament to enduring human spirit, bringing us closer to where no life is cut short by cancer. Thank you for your time and attention. Any questions, please feel free to ask.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed the presentation today, and I thank you for your time.